Get a little bag and take it to the store. Get a little cash. You shake it real fast and get a little more. I got bands in the coop. Bustin' out the coop. I got bands in the coop.
Hey, you guys. Hey, y'all. So, I'm actually quarantined and cooking. That's going to be the title of my video. So, let's take a look at what your girl is cooking. All right, y'all. So, my husband actually has fried chicken going right now. But me, I'm making a macaroni pie with spinach. So, I want to see y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all doing while y'all quarantine. Do y'all got enough food? Do y'all still need groceries? What's good? What's popping? Let me know. So I'm finna put some more cheese on the top of this, and I'm gonna let you guys watch me. This is not a tutorial. I'm just letting y'all watch me do what I do while I'm quarantined. All right, y'all. So as y'all can see, I got my Lysol. Make sure y'all got y'all Lysol. And I'm finna put some more cheese just to put it on top. I already got my oven preheating. So I'm just gonna put not that much on the top because while you quarantine, you don't want to run out of cheese. Because you got breakfast, you want to put some cheese on your eggs or on your grits.
So some cheese on that bit.
Don't curse on each other. All right, now I'm gonna throw some over here. Y'all like my new bacon glass pans? I just got this from D2 a few days ago. And just know that when you go in these stores, all of these shelves, they getting empty because people are being mad greedy.
Babe, show them that chicken.
Hold on.
Not one time. But they mind.
All right, make sure I close this up. All right, so 1 second, guys. I just want to make sure y'all can see me because it wasn't bright enough for me. All right, so I got my little cheese on the thing going, and my husband got the chicken going. He not finished. Oh, he got a batch already. So we got some fried chicken. We're going to have this with the macaroni and cheese. And I'm finna pop this in the oven. I'm going to need a little bit of pepper to go on top of this. You know, for a little color. If I could find the pepper. Where's the pepper? If I can't find pepper, I don't want to use nothing else. Because I can't find the pepper. Oh, y'all like my shirt? Girls just want to have funs.
Yeah.
All right.
All your funs.
Huh? That's how I talk.
Girls gonna want to have all your funs.
All right, so this is going in the oven in my little glass pan. This is gonna be delicious.
You made it.
No, burger. Where's the burger? All right. I'm gonna turn y'all around I'm gonna turn y'all around now so y'all can see what I'm doing. Huh? I'm not. All right, so we got that in the oven. It's side by side. It's twins, not cousins. It's twins. All right, so that's macaroni pie, by the way, if anybody is curious. Okay, so y'all all up in my face, so it's close and personal now. All right, so my husband got the chicken frying, and the macaroni and cheese is in the oven. So I might turn this into a little mukbang, a quarantine and cooking mukbang. Ooh, my lace. I just got some Got to Be spray on this, but Don't pay that no mind. This is my 6x6 closure from V-Show. I love V-Show. And this shirt that I was trying to show y'all, I got this from a store called Telco. And it was only $2. Anyway, can I get a taste of that chicken on camera?
No, man.
And they'll go $2.
That means yeah.
Don't be trying to man.
Don't do that.
I touched this one. I'm gonna
Of
touch
course.
this one. My daughter is retarded. She like, if you touch that one, take it. All right. Anyway, this is a chicken look like. It's hot as hell. Let me get a piece of paper towel. I'll take that one on the. Oh yeah, just any piece. It's hot. All right. So let's taste this chicken while you guys are watching, because I never taste my food on camera. So. This is hot, but it's good though. Ooh,
What?
we got some special sauce that we put in, a special ingredient. Y'all can't know all my secrets. Can't tell y'all everything. I know I didn't cook it, my husband did. All right. All right, so this chicken is busting.
That's your mom.
All right, so next, I'm gonna make some cupcakes.
Ooh,
So what I actually did, you guys can watch.
cupcake.
Oh, yeah.
No, I don't get my little dishes out the way, so I ain't watching no damn more.
All right, so
I'm done with this.
I bought these from, I think I got this from D2 as well.
You gonna use this?
Not no more.
You got frosted?
Then you should have washed it.
You got frosted?
I might. So I got 2 of these. Where did this come from? Oh, this came from Dollar Tree. I remember now. It came from Dollar Tree. So this chicken is hot as hell. So I'm gonna like let the progress go with the baked macaroni pie, and I'll be right back. Hey my beauties, so I'm back. I'm finna do this French vanilla box cake. So the ingredients states that you need 3 eggs. I'm gonna use 2. And that you need vegetable oil. I don't know about that. And then some water. I might put like a drop of it in there, but I'm not using 3 eggs. I'm gonna use 2. We're quarantined. Nobody got time to be wasting eggs on something that says use 3 when you can use 2. So that's booty. I'm gonna open this up. This is French vanilla. I like to sniff cake, like the mix. It's like weird, but it smells so good. So as I stated, I'm going to be making cupcakes.
I don't know.
Alright, so I emptied the contents. As I said, this is not a tutorial, but I know y'all going to want to see what I'm doing, so let me just show y'all. Okay, my beauties, so I'm back. I'm going to be using a whisk today instead of like a blender or anything. So I'm going to just spread this all out. I like to use vanilla flavor, so let me grab that. Yo, usually I can't find nothing in these so if you don't see me for a minute, just know that I'm looking for something. Can you I'm filming. Did y'all use it all and didn't tell me?
What?
The vanilla flavor.
No, I didn't use it.
Alright, so since I can't find the vanilla flavor for some odd reason, I got my water. I'm gonna enter 2 eggs. Ew, that's so gross. You don't touch my hand. Ew. All right, so now I'm gonna just mix this around, basically make a mess. I'm gonna gradually pour this water in. Yo, I wish you could smell through this phone. It smells so good. They said use oil. I'm not really with that, but I'm going to put it in for the hell of it, for the video. That's all. A 4th of a cup. You're right. Okay. So come along with me. I'm going to wash my hands because it's time to get the scooping. This detergent works just fine. As long as you wash your hands, you should be straight. Make sure you get all of the nuts and crannies in between your fingers.
Nuts and crannies.
Nooks and crannies. I'm filming. Even if you already wash your utensils and you put it in the dish rack, wash it again before you use it because germs. Okay, now, oops, let's go back over here and okay, so now I have these pans and I'm gonna make Spider-Man cupcakes. So I'm gonna try to make sure I use only one because you can't reuse them. Don't try to reuse these because that's ghetto. And then I'm gonna let you see what I'm doing. So sit tight. Okay, see, this is one right here. Why don't you drink something? All right, I'm just making sure I got one at a time. And make sure when you're making these, you make enough because everybody gonna want seconds and
That ain't gonna be nice.
some people use 2 of these cups at a time, but while you quarantine, you want to preserve. So back to me and this face. I'm making sure I mix everything up really good. And I still got for next time. Okay, so make sure you got a scooper. So you can scoop it out and it comes in easy. So you scoop up a lot and you just
Man, you finna make it, man.
pour it in. You want to try to pour it in at like halfway, not all the way up, because when it bakes and it rises, it's going to probably make a mess. So, make sure you scrape off the bottom. And this is French vanilla mix, so that's what we're making. And if you just happen to just drop a little bit on the side of the pan, just wipe it off. Tissue, whatever you got, just wipe it off.
Really?
And then I'm going to turn this over. I filled up 1 or 2 too far, but we're going to just ignore that. That's just going to be a full cupcake. Really full cupcake. Okay, so I got one down, and I want to do something a little bit different once I find it. Oh, here it is. Okay, so I have this little, everybody, if you know me, you know I love the color red. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rinse it off first. The bottom of this spoon, I'm going to do this. Ooh. Now I know, don't pour. Okay, so now you got the little sprinkle stuff on it. You want to mix it around so it'll come out like a little swirl. I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like in a minute, but I ain't seen nobody on YouTube do this. So she didn't copy it for nobody. No, she didn't. See that? That looks so cool. I'm gonna put this one in the oven. So which one? Ooh, look at that macaroni and cheese. Ooh, look at that macaroni and cheese. Y'all see that? Look at that. Who quarantined? She ain't quarantined. Okay, so I'm gonna get to the last one and might have some left over, but all I gotta do is make one batch, take it out, and make another batch. So I'm gonna begin pouring. Got Gotta be generous now because I really don't want to have leftovers. I hate messes. As I said, when you get a little mess, just wipe it off. That's what I'm finna do. Carefully though. All right. So let's keep on with it. All right, you want to let it lay in there and just fold itself in there. And put this little thing in the sink because I don't need that anymore. Okay, now I usually don't time my stuff, but I usually cook by sight, smell, and taste. So I'm going to be just watching these cupcakes closely just to make sure that, you know, they don't burn or overcook because we don't want that. All right, so now, again, with my little trick, last time when I did it, this is my first time doing this, but you learn from the first mistake. That first cupcake that I made, I poured a little bit too much. So I know everybody gonna be like, that one's yours.
Oh, damn.
Okay, so now, as I did before, I'm gonna just spread this around.
Damn, my little cousin died this morning. In Atlanta.
You know him?
Oh, sure damn. See?
Oh, sorry. Okay, so here it goes, guys. It's going in the oven too. So that other one is already rising. So what I'm gonna have to do is wait until those are done, and then I'm gonna have to come back and fill up some more because I still got at least possibly a whole nother set to make. So what I use is this little sprinkle stuff. I think I got this last year for my birthday because I wanted, you know, I was extra. I wanted sprinkles. So put that away. Pour this out. And I'm going to cover this. And just in case you guys are curious, I'm using Betty Crocker's French Vanilla Super Moist. And this always comes out bomb when I make it. So I see you guys in a little bit to let you know what everything looks like. But first, we got chicken dog. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little break because it's hot as hell in here and I need some water or something. So I'll be right back. Hey, my beauties. So I'm back and the macaroni and cheese is actually done. I'm gonna show you. So it's actually done, and my kids are like acting like they haven't eaten in like 3 weeks. So the most important thing about cooking macaroni pie is like you have to let it set before you try to dig into it, or it's gonna just fall apart and just look like macaroni and cheese. And we don't really want that. So, oh, it's actually good. Look. Now I put spinach in mine, so mine is gonna like look a little bit different than yours. My husband likes spinach in it, so this is why I did mine's this way. So this right here will serve 4 people, and then I'll just go over here to this one and just square this one out too. And then filming. And then just cut this in half over here, cut that in half. So you have an equal amount for everybody. So y'all gonna watch me make plates and do a taste test. I already tasted chicken, so y'all seen that already. And the card is in the car.
Now what you want? Orange juice.
All right, guys. Okay, my beauties. So I'm back. I'm gonna show you what the cupcakes look like. And these are actually done. And they're ready to just pop out. They're so pretty, guys. Okay, so I got both of them out. I'm gonna just show you them when I turn the camera around. So this is the cupcakes, and that's the macaroni pie. Time to make some plates. Okay, my beauty, so as I already showed you guys, the chicken was already done. So I'm gonna just throw 2 pieces on here. Three here. Three here. Three here. And then they can always just go back for seconds if they still require more food. So I'm gonna move this out the way, and okay, so here's the macaroni pie. Usually you gotta let it sit like 5 or 10 minutes. And we're gonna just pretend that I did that. And this big piece right here is for my greedy daughter. And next is the other greedy kid. Go get your sister. Okay guys, so here's what the plate looks like. This is macaroni pie. It has spinach in it. and extra cheese. Okay, I probably won't even eat all of this chicken, but it's okay. All right, so next plate. Okay, this is for the husband. Look at it. Don't that look good? Yeah. Nope. Don't do that while I'm filming. Okay. Last piece from the first batch look like these chillin' is gonna be greedy enough to dip back in.
Oh, good.
Okay, so empty pan. Hey my beauties, so I'm back. I had the weirdest craving for orange juice. So I got my orange juice. We finna crack her open, and this finna be a little mini mukbang too, cause y'all gotta see me taste the food. Y'all gotta know if it's good or not. Damn, she was thirsty. She damn near finished the whole thing. You see that? All right, now, I know I'm on a diet, but oh wow. Look at that. Now let's do a taste test to see if this is good. Oh my God, yes. Maybe we want to sing some old Negro spirituals. This is good. And I ain't just lying because it's mine, because if it was nasty, I would tell y'all it's nasty. But this is bussin'. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And share with your friends. Everybody needs to know, I need to know what y'all doing while, you know, we quarantine. So y'all should be in your house washing your hands and washing your behinds and stuff. Keep yourself clean and keep your house clean, and y'all should be good. If y'all got masks or whatever, try to keep your face covered while you're outside, and just keep some hand sanitizer handy. I know things is like tight in the stores. Like you go in there and the shelves is empty or whatever. People buying out Pampers and baby wipes. They ain't even got no babies. I don't know what the purpose of that is. Taking stuff from kids. But anyway, buy what y'all need so everybody else can get, you know, what they need. Make sure you got water and all of that. And, you know. Later, guys. Love you.
That's my reaction. This is so good. So good. And then listen to her. Also,
Don't self-promote.
subscribe to my mom. She's a great cook and has the best YouTube videos. So good. Bye.
You get a little bag and take it to the store. Get a little cash. You shake it real fast and get a little more. We got bands in the coop. Bustin' out the coop.